Hello everyone, welcome back to another Sudoku. Today we're going to be looking at a Thermo ratio Sudoku by James Kopp. Now, normal Sudoku rules apply, numbers increase from the bulb, so it could be something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you know all the permutations of that. Black dots means that there must be a ratio like 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 3 to 6, or 4 to 8. There's also a negative constraint, so you can't have those two numbers next to each other, which impacts thermos quite a bit because you can't go 1, 2. So this is 3 at minimum, which means that's 4 at minimum, which means this must be a 6. Let me just make sure. I'm pretty sure that's right. So it could go 1, but it can't go 1, 2, so it has to go to 3, 4, and then 5 doesn't work in a thing, and 7 doesn't work in a thing, and 9 doesn't work in a thing. 8 would work, but it would need 2 9s to follow it. So this must be a 6. That must be a 3. So it could go 3, 4, 5. It's a possibility. These are limited. This could be 7, 8. I'm not sure if I can limit this. It could be 3, 6 the other way. There's maybe too many possibilities for now. A 1 here, because of the negative constraint, would force a 2 here. I think that's fine. 1, and then this can't be 2, so it would have to jump to 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think this also must be a 6 then. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I think that since this is so long, all of those must be guaranteed. 1, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, because we get to... Well, it could go 2, 3, 4, 5. You never want to get ahead of yourself. This can't be a 3 because of the ratio clue. Is anything else limited? Oh, this 4 is looking right at this 8. So that can't be an 8, that's gotta be a 7. That looks right to me. Could be 1, 2, or 8. 1, 2, 8, 9 are all that's missing. So this could go 2 into 1, 1 into 2, 2 into 4. But not 8. 8's not possible there. Now, if this were 1, then that would force this to be 2, and that would break Sudoku rules. Or, not Sudoku rules, black dot rules. And if this were 2, it would force that to be 1. So this must be a 9. So that's an 8 now. That's a 1, 2 pair, so this must be a 4. And that's a 2, and that's a 1. So everything there is kind of just falling apart, which is real nice. 6s in this box are somewhat limited. Eights are also limited. This is the next largest thermos. I think I'm gonna look at it. You go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You could. This can't be a 2 or 3. So there's just quite a few possibilities here. Not seeing anything immediately here. So it's gotta be something else. I feel like this 5, 4, 9 should be important in this row, but I'm not seeing where it is. 3s we can get down. 4s we can get down. Actually, 4 can't be next to 8. And 4s also affect 2s. That's not super significant though, it just means that 2s in that box can be anywhere there, which is quite a large chunk. 2, 1, 3, 4. That's 4 numbers that have to be in this area. I don't know, it's gotta be something with the rules. Let's see. Can't be 1, could be 2, can't be 3, could be 4, 6, but not 8. So this could be 1, 2, or 3. Kind of matches up here. Let me double check this. Can't be 1, could be 2, can't be 3, could be 4, could be 6, can't be 8. There's gotta be something more to it than that. Threes really only affect sixes. Fours. Yeah, fours can't be in any of these spots, which limits twos. So this must be a two. Yeah, twos and fours can't be in any of these spots. This can't be a four because of the two. That can't be a four because of that four, and that can't be a four because of that four. Now if I put a two in either of those spaces, they get stomped out by the four. Moving two here gets hit by that, and a two here by Sudoku. So that is a two. Now, twos over here lock this four out of being a possibility. What else does it do for me? Oh, well, it means that this can no longer be a two. So this can't be a one. Oh, twos affect ones. I don't know why there was a car going by my house really loud there, and for some reason that brought me to the conclusion. So one can't go in any of these spots or this spot. So now this is a 2-3 pair, which means that this can't be a 3. So now this must be a 5, and this must be a 1, and this must be a 1, and this can't be a 2 because of the 4. So this is all coming together. Why did I mark this as not being a 6? Oh, because of the 3, right? So this can't be a 9, so that's a 9. So that's 8, 7, 9. Oh, that must be 8, so that's a 9. And the other missing number is a 7. So just like that, so much gets solved. So that must be a 2 and a 3. And the 2 forces the 4 aside, whichever is the 2. And this is missing 1, 4, and 5. And this area is missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this row, the 6s are limited to being either there or there. I'm gonna guess this all circles back to here. That must be a 1 now. Because it couldn't be a 5. This 3 breaks up the 3s there, and this 4 breaks up the 4s. This can't be a 6 anymore, because it's in between some 3s. Twos are kind of limited in that square, not to a crazy amount though. 2s are much more limited in this square. Those by Sudoku and those by the 4. And now these 2s line up with those 2s. Oh, and the 2s are really strong because it affects where 1s can go. We got 8 left to place. This can't be a 2, so it can only be 9. Or a 5. Right, this row has 2 things left. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9 pair, don't know how to disambiguate that. This is missing 2, 5, 6, I think. And then this is missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sevens are locked out of this. Right? 5 can't repeat here. I should have seen that earlier. No, that can't be a 4. The 8 affects 4s near it, meaning that that can't be a 4. So those 4s are limited, those 4s are limited. Nines and 8s are limited. In fact, 8s can only be in those 2 spots in that row. We'll see if that's important later. The 2 has a kind of X-wing with the 4s. This can't be a 9 anymore. Two 9 pair, which makes that a 9. The 9s are lining up. Oh, we already have that 9, right? 6, 8, 3, what else is missing? 7? This can't be a 7. This is a really nice puzzle. Eights in this column must be here, which sorts out this 3, which pushes the 6, and this is a 7. And that 8 is quite useful. Thanks to our pencil marks. Now this has to be the odd one out, which is a 5, I believe. Oh, this can't be a 4. So now that's the only 4 left. What must this be? A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That wouldn't work as a 6 because of the 3. Yeah, this is definitely one of the best, if not the best. It's just so... I don't know what the word is, like clean. Everything flows so nice. Anyways, that's a 3-4 pair. Can't sort that yet. This 4 does affect 2s. Oh, this row is finished. Seems to need a 1. So we got 2, 5, 6. Don't see any way to sort that out yet. That can't be a 2. That can't be a 1. Cleaning up some stuff here. This can't be a 6, but it could be an 8. Right, this 2 is looking at this. Nines. Can we sort out 9s? There we go, we finished a digit. 1's trapped down here. We got 3's over here. And 6's are still unknown. Feels like a waste to mark down when we got 5's because... Oh, right, this 3 is looking at a 6 now. So what does this all mean? It does mean that 6 over here is limited. Don't know by how much yet. We almost have a 3-4 pair, but they're in different alignments. Oh, come on, we're almost there. This 2 is looking at a 1. Okay, so now this can't be a 1. So now that can't be a 2. Two there is limited. Wow. Someone just Steam messaged me something very rude. The nerve of some people. Can I get anything else out of this square? At this point, I feel like I should have some more knowledge. Sevens, what can I do about sevens? I don't know, that's a 7-8 pair though. Is this a naked single now? It can't be a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's either a 5 or a 6. It does seem like something. Everything else has at least 2 marks. This row has 2 places a 2 could be. 2 places a 4 could be. Actually, is that a 3-4 pair? One, 2, 3, 4. Can't be 5. Could be 6. Can't be 7, 8, 9. That's 3, 4, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 2, 5, 6 triple. Means that that's a 3, 4 pair. So I was kind of right. You've got another triple here, which leaves 3, 4, and 7. So 6 in this row should now be very limited. Alright, let's keep full notating, see if we can find out something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Six, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This does kind of look like a mess. Do this 3, 4 pair. this point, one more answer would finish the puzzle, so let's look at the ratio clues again. Cell by cell. Even just getting rid of one number like that is really important. I feel like there's some chain reaction I'm supposed to be seeing at this point. Like, if this is a 3, then this can't be a 6. More likely, if this is a 6, that becomes a 3. Seven, 8, 6. 4, 3, 4, 7. Gotta be like something really small I'm not seeing. Twos are like staggered here. Could that mean something, do you think? We already know where all the ones are, so it can't be a ratio thing. It's just that one of those paths is right and one of them is wrong. What I'm thinking about right now is how the 6s affect this 3-4 pair. If that's a 6, that's a 3, and that's a 4. That becomes 5-2. 7-4. 3. 4-7. Three. Man, I don't know. If this is a 3, then I'm just gonna start writing it down. I'm way too... I just woke up. That's a 5, that's a 4. And now where does 4 go? We have to forego where the 4 goes. 4 goes there. Okay, so the problem was... this was the 3, so this must be the correct 3. That can't be an 8 anymore. And then the 3s sort out the 6s. That can't be a 2. So you could say I got the ending by bifurcation, but everything else about that solve was pretty good. So I'm gonna upload it anyways. Let me know if there's if there's a cleaner way to get there. Because I definitely felt like I was missing something, but I hate just staring at a puzzle, because I know that's not interesting to watch. But if you enjoyed, be sure to like, and I'll see you on the next Sudoku. Thanks for watching.